Sneha Das. I am from Western. I am currently pursuing my BTech course from Techno International Bhatnagar. I am a second year student.
Okay, so you are from technical background. Then next, Shagnik.
Hey, I'm Shagnik. I'm pursuing my BTech in third year. I'm in Techno International Bhatnagar. I'm in CSC. I'm
Yeah.
from CSC background. Yeah.
Okay. Then Shorab. Shorab left. Good. So Shubhadeep. Hello, Shubhadeep. Please unmute yourself and please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I am Subhadeep Das. I am from Holdia. I am currently pursuing my BTech from Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology.
Okay. In the field of computer science.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Bapon.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vapur Mundul. Currently, I am pursuing BTech degree in CSE department from GMIT, Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology.
Which year?
Third year.
Third year. Okay. Yeah. Then Sneha. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. I am Sneha Ghosh. I am pursuing my BTech from Kagi Institute of Technology. I am in third year. I am pursuing CSC.
Okay. Yeah. Then Shorab, please. Shorab, please unmute yourself and. So Shorab is not responding. Then Shumon. Shumon, hello. Please unmute.
Hello.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Say. Yeah, Shuman, say. Unmute yourself and say. Shumon, hello. Then next joined Shatakshi. Shatakshi, please unmute yourself.
Hi, yes.
Yeah. So please say which department you are in and which year.
I'm in second year from ECE department.
Techno International Bhatnagar.
Yes.
Yeah. So next, Faisal Adil. Yeah, unmute yourself and say department and year, college. Faisal, hello.
Yes, I'm from Techno International Bhatnagar, CSE department.
Year?
First year.
First year. Okay. So that's all the introduction of all of you. And now let us discuss how our 4 days session will be taken. My screen is visible, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first day will be based on the introduction part mainly and the basic knowledges about CSS on which our bootcamp is. Again, I am saying that if anyone have any problem regarding language or anything, please say. If anyone don't understand English, then also he or she can say that to say the meaning in Hindi or Bengali. So our first day session will be on basic introduction part of CSS, HTML, and the uses of CSS and HTML. Now, the second day, we will go forward with some mini projects. Lastly, we will divide that all of you into several small teams, small groups. There will be several project topics based on CSS, and according to it, HTML is also required. So with basic HTML and CSS, some project topics will be given to each of the groups. Each of the groups will submit the respective projects. After that, certificates will be provided to all of you. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Yeah, anyone want to say something? Hello. Anyone have any doubt regarding the things I have said now? Hello.
Okay, hello.
No, sir.
Hello.
Ha.
Yeah.
Shagrik.
So, yeah, can you tell me like what are the things, what are the topics we're going to work on?
Like suppose with the CSS projects, we can make some logos. CSS is basically on the styling part of our website. So the projects will be according to the styling part. Means suppose we make a structure, we have prepared a structure on HTML, then we will make some styling on it. Suppose some a group is the topic of a group is given like uh, make a logo on make a logo of something with the help of CSS. This can be a project. Shagnik, got it? Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah. So, Nana, I was just asking that what are the topics we are going to work on? Like, are we going to work on those animations and translations and typography, pre-processors? We are going to get all those ideas in this whole bootcamp or not?
Yes. So
Okay.
from basic to advanced, full
Mhm.
CSS will be completed.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, so the candidates who have joined today all are from technical field. There is no non-technical background student today. Good. So the first thing, yes, if anyone have any queries regarding the session, then please write it in chat box. We will contact with you soon. So the first and foremost thing to code the requirement is a code editor. Here the code editor we are using is VS Code, Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, we will do our sessions or our codings on which the CSS and HTML will be done. So at first, the basic introduction about HTML and CSS. Those who have knowledges on HTML and CSS, the basic part, please share with me one by one. Please share. Hello. Yeah, Shagnik. Shagnik, please carry
Yeah,
on.
yeah, I do have some knowledge on HTML actually. Like
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was working on HTML and I'm also a Django developer. So I
Good.
have the knowledge on HTML, but I'm like not very much confident in CSS. So that's why I'm like joining this whole bootcamp.
Okay. So please share some things with related with HTML. HTML. Please share some knowledges. Anything, Shagnik?
কি বলবো বল?
যা খুশি HTML সম্পর্কে যা খুশি
আচ্ছা তো
মানে যেটা
বেসিক্যালি
যেগুলো জানিস
হ্যাঁ তো
HTML
বেসিক্যালি এইচটিএমএল একটা স্ক্রিপ্টিং ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, ঠিক আছে? তো ডোন্ট লাইক ব্যাপারটাকে পুরো গুলিয়ে তোমরা ফেরো না তোমার ইয়ে থেকে। Like other basic languages like Python and Java, they are not scripting language, or they are not meant or designed for scripting purposes. uh, HTML like makes the whole structure or the backbone of this web page or website, you know. uh, yeah, it will make the skeleton of your website. How we want to design the, like, in a website, what we have the buttons, we have those paragraphs, text, you know. Then if we are making some text and we are keeping those text inside some class divisions, all those things are like done by HTML. So HTML forms the whole backbone of the skeleton of this whole thing, of this whole web page.
Okay. Debolina. So Debolina, you're from second year, I think.
হ্যাঁ দাদা
Acha, CSE. Okay. Or Ritesh Shaha.
Yes, sir. Hello.
No response. Good. Yeah. Which college you are?
GMIT, sir.
GMIT year?
Third year. Computer science.
Third year. CSE. Okay. So, Shagnik, you have shared something about HTML, and anyone more who knows about HTML? Anyone more who knows about HTML, please? Okay, so HTML means hypertext markup language. It is basically a skeleton which Shagnik had shared with us. It is basically a skeleton of our website or web page. So if we compare the programming languages HTML, CSS, or the JS part means JavaScript with the human body, then the skeleton part is means human skeleton is the HTML, the skin above the skeleton is the CSS, and the functionality or the human brain is JavaScript or JS. So for doing our coding part, we will require the first and foremost thing is the code editor. Here we will use the VS Code. So in VS Code, suppose I am preparing a new folder. Naming with HTML, and by drag and drop in this folder we will prepare a new file index. Here our index.html file has been prepared. So HTML. We will use the latest version HTML5 here. So for our CSS session, HTML is also important because above the skeleton, we will put the skin. So above HTML, we will style something. So first of all, the full form of CSS is cascading style sheet. In the HTML part, we have some things like head, title, body, the main things of the HTML. So our title will be shown like our title part will be shown here, and the thing that is showing here is the favicon part. We haven't given any favicon. Favicon means the logo of that site. So we haven't given any favicon. So this is the default logo of any website or web page. So this is the title part. Next, in the body, we will write something like so better to write it in heading. So let's see first. It is better to be seen that heading is defined from H1 to H6. This is H1. If we start something, there should be a end. Refresh. Hello, welcome to Lisica Tech. So today we will prepare the basic skeleton of our web page. Then tomorrow we will put some colors or any something else. Then under it, so it is the paragraph. Thing is that we can also write this without giving the p tag. So what will be the difference? The same thing is displaying here. So difference টা কি হলো? আমরা যে এখানে p tag দিলাম এখান আর p tag টাকে সরিয়ে নিলাম তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা কি হলো? ডিফারেন্সটা এখন আমি সেম লাইনে যখন লিখলাম একটা লাইন যখন লিখলাম তখন কোনো ডিফারেন্স নেই। When we have written a single line there is no difference. If we write the something more like roots of p, so the difference will be here. Like if we put the same p tag here, the end will be like here. Then we will put the p tag here. There the end will be here. Then there will be the difference. Paragraph tag or p tag divides the lines into different paragraphs. If we remove the p tag, then it will be written in the same line, like this. This is the difference between p tag, giving p tag or not giving the p tag. Suppose the same thing if we write with some h2 tags. H3, follow the difference. This is the difference from H1 to H6. The size decreases gradually. H1 has the highest or largest size and H6 has the smallest size. So let's cut it. Make it in center. Sorry, I think there is some mistake. Okay. So this is the center tag. Today is the day one, so I am giving some basic introductions and some basics of HTML with which our from day 2 our sessions will be continued. On the advanced CSS part, we will gradually go. So the thing is, CSS selectors. What are CSS selectors? Suppose we have written something here with the h1 tag. We want to change the color of the heading. So we will give some tags like so we have created a CSS file. Something I am showing here roughly, like if I give what are CSS selectors. Suppose under h1 I have given some color with blue. This is the class name of the CSS select is sorry tag name of the CSS selectors. Then we will let's see some class attribute, like suppose we have something um, like we want to enlarge the font size. We have given like something 100 pixel or 5 pixel. We want to give the font size. So at first let's see the h1, and the foremost thing is that we have to link. Now our CSS and HTML files are not linked. The files should be linked at first. Then it will work the thing h1 color I have given blue, so then the thing will work here. So this is the CSS basic CSS things. At first let's complete the HTML part. So then this is the center tag. Then like with the img tag, we can insert some pictures of our choice. Sorry. What? With the img tag, we can insert some pictures. Here img src in in between the invited comma, we can put some links. Suppose if I want some link like some picture, I have kept the picture here. So what is the name of the picture? This is the png file. So our picture is here, image. This is our image. Now we can change the height and width of the image of our image. Like height I want to give 200 and width want to give it as 300. Let's see. This is our image. It has been changed according to our height and width ratio. So if we want to give it in the same center, done. So we have given a heading. There is some picture. Now in our web page, there will be some description about our website. Like if we want to give it as in the next part, page 2, then about us. So we have started our about us section from here and we have started the paragraph. Anyone have any doubt till this part? Please raise your hand or give your query in the chat box. Hello. Anyone have any doubt? Hello.
No doubt so far.
Okay. 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 So thank you, Shagnik. Yeah. So then the thing is we have done the title part, body part, center, image. So what will be the next part? Then we want to do something like list. Like listing, we want to make some list with OL tag, UL tag, and LI tag. OL tag means the ordered list. UL tag means unordered list. Unordered list gives the symbols with bullets. Ordered list gives the symbol gives the number 1 2 3 4 or Roman one, Roman I, double I, triple I, like this. So let's see. First of all, well, under well tag li, in the li tag, then the same thing is copied. Then so this is the OL tag list. Means that this is our ordered list. So let's give some heading to this. With the, like, we have used the h2 tag before, so we can use h3. This. Again, now we will do something like UL. Like UL tag, in UL tag we can write So again, let's give some heading with like now we will use H4. We can also use H1 to H3 also, but we are using H4 so to see the difference in the size of the headings. So we so this is UL and this is OL. This is the difference between unordered order. Sorry, this is I am sorry. This is OL and this is UL. This is the difference between ordered list and unordered list. So now the thing is that like you I want to give it in this will be done in the CSS part, the strong part. Strong actually indicates the important type of text. Okay. So there are also the text, also the tags like sub means subscript, sup means superscript. Then we can use the underline u. This is underlined. U tag is used for the underlined part. B tag is used for the bold, and BR tag is used for breaking a line. The super sub tag is the subscript text tag, and the sub tag is the superscript text tag. So that's the basic things of HTML we have discussed today. From tomorrow, we will go through the CSS part side by side with it. So till now, if anyone have any doubt regarding our core curriculum or today's session, please ask. Please, anyone volunteer, please. If anyone have any doubt, please. Hello.
If
I
anyone have
think
problem, just write in chat box.
I think no one have any problem. Yeah, Shagnik, thank you to volunteer us. And Shagnik is giving the replies, but what about the others? Yeah, in the screen I can see Shatakshi, Sneha, Rudronil, Ritesh, and others.
The session was great, actually.
Yeah, okay, so I think no doubt. Okay, good. So from tomorrow, I promise that we will go to the CSS part along with the HTML. So this is the basics of HTML and the the preliminary steps of the HTML I have shown today. On this, we will give the covering from tomorrow. Okay, so there will be a feedback link given in this chat box. Everyone please fill up this, and after filling it up you may leave the session. Thank you for today's joining today's session. We hope all of you from tomorrow also. Thank you.